Alright, so this question has 7 children that are seated in 7 chairs arranged in a row that runs from west to east. All 7 children will face north. 4 of the children are boys, F, H, I, and J, and there are 3 girls, R, S, T. The children are assigned to chairs according to the rules. So we have 7 chairs, west to east. We have the boys, and we have the girls. Alright, rule number 1. Exactly 1 child sits in each chair. Rule number 2. No boy sits next to another boy. Rule number 3. I sits next to and east of the 4th child in the row. So that means that I is 5th, meaning 4 and 6 must be girls because boys can't sit next to each other. Rule number 4. S sits east of I. And rule number 5. F sits next to R. Okay, since there are 4 boys, the way we have to arrange them to not sit next to each other would be a boy in 7, a boy in 3, and a boy in 1, and a girl in 2. So, from rule number 4, we know that S is east of I, meaning the only place that S, a girl, can go is 6. So that means that R and T are either 2 and 4. And so 7 is going to be either H or J because it can't be F, because F has to be next to R. Okay, so this places us into 3 different options. Let's write them out. Option number 1, we can have F and R being 1 and 2, which makes 4T, and then 3 and 7 are between H and J. Then we have option number 2, where we place F and R in 2 and 3, which places T in 4, and then H and J between 1 and 7. And option number 3, where we place F and R in 3 and 4, placing T in 2, and then H and J between 1 and 7 again. Okay, so we've got our setup, our deductions, and our rules. Hope that was helpful. Let's go to the next setup.